If you're looking to add some sophistication to your daily conversations, here are some advanced English phrases to consider. 1. I couldn't agree more. This phrase is a more emphatic way of saying I agree and shows that you strongly support the other person's viewpoint. 2. In my opinion. This phrase is a polite way of expressing your thoughts on a particular topic without coming across as dogmatic or presumptuous. 3. As far as I'm concerned. This phrase is similar to in my opinion, but it's often used to indicate that you're expressing a personal preference or perspective rather than an objective fact. 4. To be honest. This phrase is useful when you want to express your true thoughts and feelings on a subject, especially when they differ from what the other person might expect. 5. I see what you mean, but. This phrase is a diplomatic way of disagreeing with someone or expressing a counterpoint without coming across as confrontational. 6. Let's agree to disagree. This phrase is a polite way of acknowledging that you have different opinions on a topic and that you don't need to argue about it. By incorporating these phrases into your daily conversations, you can elevate the sophistication of your language and express yourself more effectively in a variety of social and professional situations. Thank you for listening. And you can follow for more tips and tricks.